Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm a student University Tun Hussein of Malaysia, UTHM, for subject BFC 34402 Geotechnic 2. I have been given tasks to do an individual assignment about soil condition at my area. Before we go further, don't forget to give a like for my marks. Enjoy! First of all, let me introduce myself as presented. My name is Muhammad Ijlal bin alias. My ID number is CF180129. I'm a Bachelor of Civil Engineering with honor. Currently, I live in Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. I have picked a quote from Franklin D. Roosevelt says that a nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. We will see three main agendas in my presentation. First, we will go through introduction, where I will tell more about background soil condition at my area. Then, we will see together the site survey, and finally, I will conclude. Let us see first agenda, background of soil condition at my area. There are two main conditions, mining and oil palm land. Mining land is extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from earth. Oil palm land is more efficient than other oil crops. It uses 7% of the world's oil farming land and accounts for 32% of production. Let me tell you the background of soil in my area. Based on my interview with people, they said my area long time ago was both mining land and oil palm land. For additional info, Perak and Selangor was the earliest mining in Malaysia that include my area. For second agenda is site survey. This is soil condition nearby of my house beside the roads. These two pictures shows a hilly land. How does we know it's hilly land or not? Anything that hilly is marked with hills or mounds of land that are smaller than mountain called hilly lands. The video of site survey. The first video is I'm visiting to the oil palm land. For the second video is I'm going to hilly land that are newly built residential area nearby. This is a few examples that has been taken, which is sand, silt, clay, and loam. How did I know to differentiate the difference of the soil? We can see several properties to know type of soil, which is color. Soil color depend on organic matter and mineral content and is influenced by drainage. Besides, we can also buy particles of soil. Sand particles are quite big. The pore space between the particles in sandy soils are also quite large. This allows water to drain quickly and air to enter the soil. The size of the sand particle is 2 until 0.005 mm. For the seed particles are too small for us to see with our eyes. Seed soil have much smaller pore space but a lot more of them. For the size is 0.05 until 0.002 mm. And lastly, clay particles are smaller than 0.002 mm. Clay soils are poorly drained and hold onto the water in their pore space for much longer. However, they can become very hard if they dry out. The bar chart graph shows the characteristic of soil, which is soil composition. The lowest was humus, that are only 5%. The highest was mineral matter, that are 45%. For water and air have the same percentage, which is 25% both. For the conclusion, it is a material that has been around for a long time. Not only has it been the foundation of many magnificent structures, it was the material used to make the structure themselves. Much of what we know today was learned by trial and error, and our knowledge of this ancient material is continually added to by modern science and technology. It occurs naturally. It sounds almost trite to say that, but soil is not a material created by man, like steel or aluminum or even concrete. We must deal with what nature has provided, which highlight the art of geotechnical engineering. Its properties are so variable even in the same area, and soil can act in unpredictable ways when used as a construction method. Soil is used everywhere. No highway project can avoid making understanding the soil condition a first priority. Roadways and bridges must obviously be supported properly. However, even the surface contour along roadways must be designed for proper drainage of storm water. If the soil structure associated with this element is not right or is not made right, serious consequences can and always will result. So that's all from me. Thank you.